If this is your first time on my YouTube channel, I will be so happy to see you subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. There is no better time than subscribing right now, and also don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that when I upload my video you'll be the first to get notified. And also don't forget to like the video. I never wanted to make this video, but the truth is, the truth has finally been exposed, and I know you watching this video, you are curious to know the truth about why Jamaicans run so fast. They run so fast than any other country in the world. As I was making this video, I had to sit down and think about whether I should post the video or not, and I was so scared until my somebody encouraged me to post it. So I am so sorry if you are a Jamaican or you are a fan of Jamaican athletes and you are watching this video. I know you feel somehow, but this is the truth that you need to know. I'm not gonna hide anything here. The truth has finally been exposed about why Jamaicans run so fast. So I know the truth is bitter, but you just have to take it. If you listen to this secret, it will also help you run fast. The only secret behind Jamaicans running fast is only hard work. They are very hardworking. They believe in their dreams. They never give up. It's only the secret.